What's up guys, Lazuk Hasan here from wearemarketer.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can install and activate the Thrive Architect WordPress plugin on our WordPress site and how we can activate the license key. So if you don't know about Thrive Architect plugin, this is a landing page builder and you can use this plugin for creating awesome landing pages. They have a lot of pre-built landing pages and you can use that landing pages for your design. So let's move on to my desktop and I'm showing you how we can install and activate that plugin on our WordPress site. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can install and activate the Thrive Content Builder plugin on our WordPress site. I think you know about Thrive Architect. It's a WordPress plugin and we can create a landing page using this plugin. This is drag and drop page builder, and if you do not have any coding knowledge, then you can use this plugin for creating awesome landing page design. I'm personally using this plugin more than 2 years now. So if you do not have the license key, then purchase one. You will get my affiliate link on the video description. So first you need to purchase your license and then you can log into their membership area. So first log into your members area and using your login information just log into your members panel. So now we need to download this plugin from here. Okay, so the download is completed. So now we need to log into our WordPress admin panel where actually we want to install that plugin. So I'm logging to my WordPress admin panel and just I'm going to click on plugin section and click on add new, and here we need to upload that plugin. Just click on upload plugin and choose the file and click on open and just click on install now. It will take some time. So our installation process is completed and just you need to click on active plugin. The plugin is now activated on our WordPress admin panel, but before we go to use this plugin we need to activate the license key. So for doing that you need to go to the Thrive dashboard and in here you need to enter your activation key. So where you will get your activation key? Your email address is your Thrive theme login email, and for license key you need to go to your Thrive Architect members area, and if you click on this link you will get your license key. So now go to your WordPress admin panel again and enter your email address and your license key in here and just click on validate. So now our license key is activated on our Thrive Architect. So if you go to your pages or any post, you will see a new option added on all of your pages. So I'm selecting sample page and see here have an option added called edit with Thrive Architect. If you click on this link, then you will see Thrive Architect page builder options in here, and you can use those tools for creating an awesome landing page design. And they have also built in some landing page design you can choose from here. So if you click on this, you'll see here have a lot of landing pages and you can use that landing page template for your own design. So I'm giving an example. So if we want to create a squeeze page, then just click on any of the design set and you can select from any design from here. So just select any design and click on choose template. Then the page design will be set on your page. So if you click on save and check out your landing page, so I'm going to preview this page. So see, this is your landing page and this is really very awesome. So hope you understand how to install and activate that plugin on our WordPress site. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe my channel for more update.